Mastering the art of taking turns in conversation. Hello, English language learners around the world. Today, we'll be diving into an essential aspect of social communication and English-speaking cultures, taking turns in conversation. This concept is integral to maintaining smooth, respectful, and enjoyable exchanges, and we're here to help you master it. Let's get started. In a conversation, we don't just speak non-stop. We take turns. Taking turns in conversation means allowing all participants an opportunity to express their thoughts or opinions without interrupting each other. It's like a dance where each person knows when to step forward and when to step back. This cultural norm is key in English-speaking societies, and understanding it will significantly enhance your communication skills. Just as with dancing, conversation requires understanding the cues your partner gives. In the English language, these cues can be both verbal and non-verbal. Verbal cues include ending a sentence with phrases like, "Don't you think?" "What about you?" or "How about you?" Pausing at the end of a thought or sentence. Non-verbal cues include a change in facial expression, a nod, or other gesture indicating the speaker has finished their thought. Once you've recognized these cues, it's your turn to speak. But how do you do it without seeming abrupt or rude? Here are some tips. 1. Acknowledge what the previous speaker has said. You could say, "That's a good point," or "I understand where you're coming from." 2. Introduce your thoughts smoothly. You can use phrases like, "In my opinion," "From my perspective," or "I think that." Once you've had your say, it's time to pass the baton. Here's how you can do it gracefully. 1. Finish your thought or sentence completely. Avoid leaving your sentences hanging as it might confuse others about whether it's their turn to speak. 2. Invite others to speak. Use phrases like, "What's your take on this?" or "Would you like to add something?" Remember, mastering the art of taking turns in conversation is all about respect and balance. With these tips in your communication toolkit, you're ready to engage in more fluid and enjoyable conversations. We hope this video has been informative and useful to you. Keep practicing, and you'll soon find the rhythm of conversational turns in English. Until next time, happy learning!